Hi guys, welcome back to another employee AdMob tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about how to integrate a banner ad from AdMob in your Android application. First up, you need to integrate the Google Mobile Ads SDK. I already done it in the previous video. I will put the video link on the description. So here, inside main activity on create method, I initialize the Mobile Ads SDK. Now I am going to place a banner ad on the layout file. Let's go to the layout file. Now here the root element is a constrained layout. I modify that one into a relative layout. Now here place some ad view. Put this wrap content. It also up content. Align parent bottom into true. Now we can align it at the center. Center horizontal into true. Now specify some margin at the bottom side. Now create an ID for this ad unit. And name it as home banner. Now here we need an additional XML namespace. So here we have an XML namespace with the value resource auto. So we have to use that one. So add size. So here this is a banner ad. So simply type banner. Now we have to specify the ad unit ID. So use the same XML namespace and unit ID. So here you have to place your ad unit ID. So open the test ads page in AdMob documentation. So we have to use a sample ad unit ID for banner ad. For testing purpose, always use sample ad unit ID. Don't try to use real ad units, that may cause your AdMob account to be suspended. So always use test ad for testing purpose. So this is a sample ad unit ID for banner ad. Okay. Now go to main activity. First create some variables for ad view. Within the onCreate method, I'm going to initialize the ad view. This home banner. Now create some variables for ad request. Add a request builder and call the build method on it. Now we can load and add on the banner ad. For that, you have to call the load add method on the add view object. For this method, you have to pass the add request as parameter. So now here we successfully implement a banner ad in our Android application. Now we can test it. So I run the application. So here the application available on this virtual device, and at the bottom of this page we have a banner ad from AdMob. So now we can learn something about listeners of the ad view, how to implement listeners for the banner ad. So ad view dot set add listener. New add a listener. Here we have many methods like on ad closed, on ad failed to load, on ad open, on add loaded click, on add impression, etc. So here I am going to implement some of these methods: add open, add close, etc. on add loaded, etc. So for testing purpose, from each of these methods, I am going to display some log message. So here, banner add close. Copy this one here on add failed to load. And here it is on add open, banner add open. This method called when the ad loaded successfully. We can check it. So I run the project again. So we go to open logcat. So here search for ads test. Clear the logcat. Open that up again. Now the app open, and here we have the message banner ad loaded successfully. I open the ad, so banner ad open. Now I come back to I close the ad. So here it call the method on add close, banner ad close. So this is how we implement a banner ad from AdMob in our Android application, and these are the ad events of the banner ad. I hope you understand the concept. For getting more tutorial about Android AdMob, please subscribe this channel now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.